3 simple pearls for bringing a device into your practice is number 1, who is your patient base? What are they asking for that you cannot give them right now? That right there is the golden thing. If you constantly are getting patients in that you are turning away for something, that is when you need to bring a device in. Number 2, I think one of the things that is commonly missed out in the aesthetic market, and we see with some of these famous people, is they are only treating with one type of procedure. Meaning a lot of times they're leaving skin quality in the dust. So they're doing other things to try to go after anti-aging, and they're forgetting about how the overall skin looks. Well, if you leave the skin raggedy and you pull it tight, it still looks raggedy but tighter now. It still has the lines, the wrinkles, the pores, the pigmentation. So the second thing is, don't forget about the skin. You know, that is the first thing that people see, and that's sometimes you can take these patients who are nervous about doing other procedures and just say, let me help you get healthy, beautiful skin, and they're automatically gonna look younger. So who's your patient base? Please don't forget about the skin. And then third off is, you know, how easy is it to do and how delegatable is it? So that's big for us in Arizona. Yes, I have the ability to delegate things to laser technicians, but if I can have one of my girls in the room next to me doing something like a scarlet while I'm in the next room doing injectables, you know, we can get more things going in the practice, and it's easy and it's safe. There's other devices out there that, even though they are delegatable, are more dangerous, and I watch the girls more closely, and to be honest, we required them to intern for a year before we let them do it on their own. Having something like Scarlet for us, which is why it's still our top revenue generator, I can unleash them on it very quickly and feel confident that they're not gonna hurt anybody, and the patients are still gonna be satisfied with the treatment.